The Cabinet has approved the direct tax code. For more on this, we're joined by Ganapathy Subramaniam in our Delhi bureau. Ganapathy, give us all the details, please.
This is the most important direct tax reform that we have been expecting for quite some time. Finally, it has cleared an important milestone. It has been cleared by the Cabinet just a few minutes ago, which means that it's going to be introduced in Parliament. Tomorrow is very close. There is not enough notice for introducing it in Parliament tomorrow. Therefore, it is likely to be introduced in Parliament on Monday and immediately referred to a standing committee. The Standing Committee on Finance will then look into the details of the bill and give its feedback. And the government wants to make sure that all the political consultations take place during the recess, so that the bill can be brought back during the winter session of Parliament to be cleared and approved for finally bringing in this most important direct tax reform during the April 2011, that is the next financial year. So we will have a new tax law kicking in from the next financial year, that is April 2011. The main principle of the direct tax code is to simplify all the tax structures and remove all the exemptions which are available now. So therefore we will have a very lean kind of a tax structure with a very few number of rates, which will make it easy for you and me to file the returns, and even for the income tax people to calculate the corporate tax earnings and profits, etc. So therefore it will be a very important milestone for both the industry and for individual taxpayers. We will have a very simple tax regime,
Ganapathy,
and the exemptions which are being enjoyed by special groups will go now. Yeah,
Ganapathy, looking forward to simplification of filing taxes, because everyone knows it's a pain in the neck. But does that mean individuals, especially the middle classes, will pay less taxes?
Yes, obviously that is the objective. In fact, one of the proposals contained in the draft DTC is that the tax exemption limit should be increased to 2 lakhs, which means that anybody earning up to 2 lakhs need not pay any tax at all. Similarly, the tax slabs will also be simplified and brought down sharply, but that is provided that the exemptions have to go. That is the principle that Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee has reiterated again and again. If corporate lobbying prevents exemptions from going, then the tax rates will not go around. That is the warning that he has given.
A quick one, Ganapathy, on the effect this will have for companies?
Yeah, it's going to be for companies. It's going to be much simpler. The corporate tax rate is likely to be around 30%, inclusive of cess and surcharge. So the complicated calculations that they have to make now for various exemptions and also to save tax, those need not be done. Therefore, it will be easy for them, and the number of disputes will come down sharply if the proposals contained in the DTC are implemented in toto.
Excellent stuff, Ganapathy. Good to have you on the show. Thank you so much for breaking that story.